So, it's the Fusion page. Let me try to find that. You had it. Is it detail opportunities? All right. So I would copy this link and then come over here. It's on the My VA page. I'm already logged in. See, howdy Dominique. So if you Control V, paste that in there. If anybody's watching this after the fact, I'm speaking to you, there's actually a phone call going on that you can't hear. So sorry about that. Hopefully you understand what I'm talking about. Now, for you, Jen, I'm now at the page, right? This is the detail page that you're wanting to update? Yes. Okay. So what you're going to want to do is go to Edit Page, right? And you click it, and it will open up the back end here of the page. Now, there's another way to do this. If you want, you can go into Pages, and then you scroll through the pages and try to find it. Where is it? It's like, yeah. Well, I'm going to show you. So, Scott Blackburn, My VA. It's in here somewhere. I'm just not seeing it. Go to page 3. Huh. Well, maybe if I search for pages. Detail. Detail opportunities. That would be it, right? Alright, so I'm going to go in here. So that's just another way to get to it. Either navigate directly to the page while you're logged in and then click Edit, or go into the pages here and then search, like scroll through it or search through it, either way. Now, there are two ways to look at this. It's just like a blog post, to be honest. You can look at it in text, which shows you the underlying code. Span style equals color, and that's, I'm guessing, white or black. I don't know. Yeah, I could research it. What is 00? I don't speak in hex codes, but yeah, but no, it's changed. But I don't. Yeah, maybe black or gray. I don't know. But anyway, so this is how they decided to style this text. That was basically, they were just styling it. This is set to be a paragraph, standard paragraph formatting, but bold. This one is set to be a heading 3. And I guess, let's see in the code over here, page 3, and span style. I don't know what's up with the style, all the styles. Alright, whatever. So, okay. Now, here's the, let's see what you're dealing with now. You want that image that's on the side, in the sidebar, to go away, right? Or to be changed. Alright, now you're running into a different problem. Because, is this the updated information? Okay. Well then, so you've updated this part, and you're like, well, why is that sidebar image not updated? Where do I go? And I'm here to answer your questions in that. So here we go. What you have here is a sidebar. This is the sidebar that's going to show up. And you can modify that sidebar, but you have to go through certain steps. The first thing you need to know is, what is the sidebar called? In this case, it's called Details Sidebar. Alright, so you know it's Details Sidebar, and you want to change out that image. Do you want to take it out, or do you want to change it? Okay. Well, if you take it out, everything else will shift up. So let's look at the page. Well, I can't really preview what it's going to look like. It would be just that gone, right? And so basically, search would be at the top, and my career at VA would be right underneath it. So, okay, so let's go back. Let's take it back. So again, we're looking here, custom sidebar, and that means that when you do the custom sidebar, it is allowing you to overwrite the standard default sidebar, which is sidebar system default or something like that. I don't know. Sidebar section default. That's the default sidebar. So apparently somebody created a sidebar and they wanted it to overwrite the default sidebar, so they used a custom sidebar function and added it. So remember, we're looking for details sidebar, and we're going to go into appearance and widgets. And this is where we adjust what goes into sidebars. These are all widgets. Notice archives, calendar, category posts, dynamic content gallery, pages, recent posts, RSS feed widget, short codes. You don't know about those, I imagine. Tag cloud is just a list of all the tags, like, you know, little cloud shows which ones are the most popular. Here's the search. These are all different widgets that you can add to a sidebar to just, because, you know, most blogs have little things in the right hand side or the left hand side that, you know, they're just standard things that you see in a lot of blogs. So the one that we're looking for is a detail sidebar, and lo and behold, we have found it. Detail sidebar. So this right here, sidebar section default, this is the standard sidebar. It's the standard one, and this is what's got all the, you know, Anne's big red button that she keeps asking me to update every time she does a new campaign. It's got that stuff in it. It's a standard sidebar. This one's the custom sidebar. And notice it has some stuff in it. Well, the visual editor, I don't know. They used the visual. I don't know why they did that. Maybe they don't know how to add stuff via HTML, so they did it this way. Whatever, seems to have worked. But if you want to get rid of this, and mind you, this picture right here, it exists in the media library. So it's not like by deleting this picture from the sidebar that we can't get it back. It exists at myva.va.gov/wp-content/uploads/2015. You get it. Like it exists in this place. And so if you ever wanted it back there, we could put it back there. But you know, for now we're getting rid of it. So we can. Okay, so I'll show you again. It's in this visual editor, which again, I don't know why they did it that way, but they did. So you can open this up if you want to edit it. You can delete it here, but that would leave this thing still here. We don't want that, so let's just delete the whole thing. Boom. Goodbye, Fusion Cell. And now, all you have is search and my career at VA. Now this is, like I was saying, instead of that visual editor, this is how I would have done it. But maybe the visual editor is easier. I don't know. Maybe that just works better. Because this is how I would typically do stuff. I would just add it as a HTML link to the image. But so this is a standard text editor widget, and this one's a search function. And so now it should be updated if you go back to the detail page and we refresh it. Let's see. Boom. Gone. So that's that. Anything else while we're doing this? Yeah, I figured you would figure that out because it's basically like updating a blog post. You know, you just update the text, and you know, voila, it shows up on the web page. Oh yeah, I'll upload this to my YouTube channel, and I'll shoot you a link so that you can see how to what? Oh no, I have a government furnished equipment Mac computer, and in order to update the website using TeamSite, I had to get a copy of something called Parallels, and Parallels has a toolbox of these cool little tools that you get for free. I don't know why, I'm just added to it, and one of them is a screen recorder, and I love it. I've done this so many times when people have a question, I'm like, here, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to save the fact that I showed you, so if you forget next time, you can just refer back to me showing you. Yeah, so, but yeah, I'll upload it and I'll send it to you. I've done this for Dwayne a couple times already for some stuff, so you look forward to that email. All right, take it easy. All right, bye. Welcome back.